What's up, guys? Welcome back to the JS Builds 434 YouTube channel. I'm Jeff. This is my co-pilot Trevor today. And today we are at the BRR SCCA Autocross. We got some cool cars. There's a CRX, little Honda right there. Got a bunch of Miatas as usual. That one's pretty cool. We got the Grand National. I don't know if you can see stickers inside, but we're repping the 434. Sick vet right there. He ran really good last year. But yeah, so right now the car is in like really good running shape, but we've got some tire issues in the front where we couldn't decide if we wanted the tires to rub the fender well or if we wanted the tires to rub the A-arm. So we chose fender well, and like it does really good when you're going around the track, but when you're going slow like this and you're trying to make sharp turns, it's just struggling. It's like rubbing on everything. But right now we're in the line for tech and we're gonna see if this thing passes. So we'll give you guys an update after this, and hopefully this goes well, so wish us luck. All right, guys, so we passed tech perfectly, nothing loose, everything's cleaned out, nothing wrong with the car, nothing bad. We did fail tech for our helmet because it's not Snell approved. I knew that would happen, but kind of sucks. So we're gonna take one of Pat's helmets and act like it's ours. Dude, he gutted this thing. This car is so sick. But yeah, we'll hit you guys up when we get ready to race. So I'm sitting in line, about to go park, you know, watch some racing. I announced the second round of racing, and now I'm, you know, pulling the Grand National in behind the Monte Carlo, and we're gonna get geared up to do this thing. I'll actually mount the camera forward so you guys can see the track, see where I'm turning, all that kind of stuff that happens. In a couple passes, I think Trev will ride with me and hold a camera in the cab so you guys can see what's going on in here, see me tossing around this boat wheel. But yeah, I'm gonna go down, I'm gonna park, and we're gonna see what's up. Look at this good thing. All-wheel drive little Civic. Got some big meats on them. Honestly makes my tires look puny. I'm nervous. There's Pat over there staring me down. was 64 seconds. I don't know, I'm trying to go as fast as I can, but I'm like not turning the wheel fast enough. This wheel is so big, and the steering box is like off gear because like I need a smaller gear ratio so I can get quicker turning. But it's just like I'm sawing at the wheel with everything I have, and the car is moving too fast for me to even catch up with it. So that's what I'm fighting right now. But yeah, I'll try to control it more, control the wheel more, and make adjustments to balance everything out. So 64, it's a good starting point, and we'll see if we can improve on that. What was that?
62.2.
Dang.
62.2. She got a 58 though.
She did?
Yeah.
What Justin get?
Huh?
What Justin get?
They got a 64.
What did Angela get?
She got like a 58.
Nice.
Alright guys, so we got a 62.2, which is cutting 2 seconds off both times. I would say the difference right there was smoother turning, and there's definitely like halfway through the run I realized like I could have taken 2 turns differently, but I'm definitely gonna do that in the next run. I'm gonna take the turn, the long sweep turn, I'm gonna take that wider, and then I'm gonna take the transition turn going from turn to turn even wider, and then yeah, but we're getting there. 62.2. Justin ran like a 64, and ran 58, so we're keeping it tight. And I'm gonna open the hood real quick, let her cool down, and then we're gonna get ready for another pass. I also have brake fluid all over the inside of my right front rim, and that's not good, but my reservoir hasn't changed levels, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and run it again, and we'll see what we can do this time. Alright guys, so the caliper is leaking on the Grand National, and the first run in the Z, it's a totally different car, way less sticky tires. Of course it's a manual, so that's different, but pretty much I grabbed second, so it's fine. On my first run I got like a 68 when I was running like a 62 in the Grand National, but I got 4 more runs and Trev's in here co-piloting with me, so we're gonna try to break that number down. Nice. That's it for the day. Never broke 70 in the Z. Yeah, that was really different, but ran some good laps in the Grand National and came in 4th for like the big mod class, so that's pretty good. Bunch of track cars in that class and stuff came in 4th. Felt really good, felt good to drive the car, and I'm looking forward to, you know, running better, getting it more solid, stuff like that. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe. Catch you later. Have a great day.